of you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am bald, nothing on the top. We shaved it all off because we just didn't have the time. Fresh start. Today's unit is going to be from UNICE Hair. I'm going to be reviewing and installing their 7x5 by knots water wave 24-inch HD lace frontal wig. Okay, that was a mouthful. Let's go ahead and get into it. It didn't have any smell, thank God, but I'm like, girl, why can't I see through this unit? This unit is so see-through, and for 24 inches, 180 density, it is on the thinner side. This glueless unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut with your elastic band and adjustable straps in the back with a comb. One thing I will say about this unit, that lace is impeccable. It blended and it is invisible, but this unit shed worse than a cat in the wintertime. Worse. I didn't even do anything. Full clumps of hair. Y'all literally just saw me put this on. Y'all literally just saw me put this on. I literally just put this wig on my head. I did not pluck anything. All I did was put this wig on my head, running my fingers through the curls. Look how much hair came out already. Look how much hair came out already. There's already not enough hair on this wig for it to be shedding like this. All right now, UNICE. It's like, that's a whole curl. That's literally a whole curl. Just know I'm gonna give y'all the real. They sent me this wig, I'm going to give the real. That's crazy. And it's still going. It's still going. Chia. If UNICE Hair sent me this wig in exchange for promotion and for my review, I can only imagine what they're sending actual customers that buy their wigs. This unit is currently $286.66 on UNICE's website. I do not think it's worth it. I do not think it is worth it to pay that amount of money for a unit that probably won't even last you 3 months. I mean, the hair is decent, the lace is blendable, impeccable even, some might say, but the way this unit sheds, especially on how thin it is, this is not going to give you the longevity that would garner spending $286.66 on this unit. If I'm going to be anything, I'm going to be for real and let you guys know I do not think that this unit is worth spending your money on. Overall, I'll rate this unit a 5.5, maybe even a 6 for the lace, if that. So let's get into the hair real quick. This is a 7x5 by knots lace closure, HD lace closure, okay, from UNICE Hair. All right, what I want to say about this hair is that it sheds so crazy. Like, this sheds so bad. The amount of hair that I got out of this unit from just like putting it on and just running my fingers through the curls initially was just like, it was too much. It was too much. It's very thin. It's on the thin side. I mean, that could be like a realistic look for you, but for me, it's very, very thin. Compared to the other curly hair that I got from another brand, this is extremely thin. This is how all the hair looks pulled to the front. For curly hair, because you know sometimes like curly hair is supposed to expand. Like, if this was straight hair, it wouldn't even be able to rock at all. Like, it wouldn't be able to work. But this is curly hair, so I mean, you could probably get away with this. But this is 24 inches, and for a 24 inch, I know the longer the lengths you go, the thinner the density. This unit is 180 density, and it is priced at $286.66. That is exactly why I don't think that is worth it. If this unit was fairly priced, then I would see how you can purchase it, how you can spend your money on it, knowing up front that you might not get the longevity, but you still can get your desired look. I'm always going to bring you guys real, raw, and honest reviews. And thank you so much for watching. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. Mwah. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.